Hi all, my name is Nitin Manuel Thomas, 18 UBM 141. So today we are going to discuss about the taxability of pension. And as we know, pension is the amount that an employee receives at the time of his retirement or death for his services in the organization. And in general sense, pension is taxable. However, an employee can commute the portion of his pension, that is opt for a lump sum amount of pension than a monthly payment. In that case, the commuted portion of pension is taxable in certain conditions. So the conditions for exemption of commuted portion of pension are: in case of government employees, it is fully exempt, and in case of employees of private institutions, on the basis of the receipt of gratuity, they are getting different exemptions. And in case of a person receiving a gratuity, the 1/3 of the full amount of pension, one third is exempted. And in case of employees not receiving gratuity, half of the full amount of pension is exempted. And let's discuss a problem. So the problem states that Mr. Ram was getting a pension from a bank at 12,000 per month. With effect from 1st June, he commuted 2/3 of the pension and received 4,80,000. Commute the amount of pension includable under the head of salary for the year if he receives gratuity and he does not receive gratuity. So here we are asked to calculate the amount of taxable pension. So let's move on to the solution. And in the first case, it is given that he receives gratuity. That means 1/3 of the full amount of pension of total pension is exempted for him. So the first step here is finding the general formula for finding pension taxable portion of pension is that commuted pension plus uncommuted pension, which is also called monthly pension. It is called uncommuted pension plus commuted pension minus exempted portion of commuted pension. So first step is to find the full amount of pension in order to find the exempted portion of commuted pension. It's given in the question that Mr. Ram commuted 2/3 of the pension on 1st June and received 4,80,000. So in order to find the full amount of pension, we can apply the formula 4,80,000 into 3/2. That gives the full amount of pension, that is 7,20,000. So we have got the full amount of pension, and from this we can find the exempted portion of pension, that is 1/3 of 7,20,000. So 1/3 of 7,20,000 gives 2,40,000. This is exempted. So we have found the exempted portion of pension. The next step is to find the portion of uncommuted pension or the monthly pension. So it was given in the question that Mr. Ram was getting a pension of 12,000 per month, but it is given that on 1st June, Mr. Ram commuted his pension. That means starting from 1st April, he receives pension of 12,000 up to June, that is April, May, so 2 months plus. And for the remaining months, as he commuted the 2/3 of the pension, he will only get 1/3 of the monthly pension, so that is 4,000. So Mr. Ram is entitled to get 4,000 for the remaining 10 months from 1st June to 31st March. So this gives the commuted pension, that is 64,000. So we have found out all the necessary amounts to find the taxable portion of pension. So moving on to the solution. Computation of, as first step is writing down the heading, that is computation of taxable pension for the year 2019-20, and this is the uncommuted pension that we have found just now, and that is 64,000 we have found out. And next step is commuted pension, that is commuted amount received as commuted pension minus exempted portion of commuted pension. That is, he has received 4,80,000 and we have found out the exemption was 2,40,000. So the difference is 2,40,000. So and the taxable portion of pension is the sum of both of these. That is, the taxable portion of pension is 3,04,000. And moving on to the second case, that is, if Ram does not receive any gratuity. In this case, there is no other change. The only change is that the value of exempted portion of commuted pension will be half of the full amount of pension. So similarly, we have found out the full amount of pension as 7,20,000. Its half will be exempted. So 7,20,000 into 1 by 2, that is 3,60,000 is exempted. And next step is solution of this case. First step is writing of the heading, that is computation of taxable pension for the year 2019-20, and the pension, this uncommuted pension we have found out earlier, that is 64,000, and the amount of taxable amount of commuted pension, that is amount we received, that is 4,80,000 minus amount of commuted pension 3,60,000. The difference gives the value of commuted pension, that is 1,20,000, and the taxable portion of pension is the sum of this both 64,000 plus 1,20,000 gives 1,84,000 as the taxable portion of pension. And that's all. Thank you.